Sure guys, welcome back. Let's have a look at this one. Trigonometry past paper 2024. I am Gaston Mapala. Welcome guys. If you are new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, your classmates, and everybody else who really needs this video. All right, so now look at this one here. We've got cos 2x is equal to cos x plus 2. They're saying x is the element is between negative 180 and also 360. All right, so now with this question, now they said we need to calculate the value of x. Now this is just like the general solution. It's like now you are solving for x, but here you are using a trigonometry. So what can you do here? If you have a look at this question, this part here, it is an identity, so I suggest that we change that one first. All right, so it's cos and cos here, so we wouldn't want to change it to sine. Please, you're just going to make life difficult for yourself, so definitely we're going to change this to cos. It was going to give us 2 cos squared x minus 1 is equal to cos x plus 2. Step number 1, great stuff. You managed to change that. That's a mark right there. I believe this question was worth 7 marks. So these 7 marks, guys, can move you. I always say this to my learners. These 7 marks here, very, very important for you to get it, because it can move you from level 3 for you to get level 4 or level 5. Very, very important, which is exactly what you need at this time of the year. All right, so now let's see here. 2 cos, I'm going to move everything to one side and make this thing equal to 0, because now we are solving for x at the end of the day. So minus cos x, and then I have got here minus 1. I'm going to move this to that side as well. It's going to be minus 2 equal to 0. So what you have here, you've got a 2 cos squared x is minus cos x minus 3, it's equal to 0. All right, so now if you see here, I always say to my learners, guys, if you are doing trigonometry and you get stuck and they have asked you to solve for the value of x, what you need to do, you need to look at what? Common factor. I'm going to write it here for that matter. You must look at taking out a common factor, or you must look at factorizing the trinomial. You must look at factorization. Okay, this is very critical. Like now, guys, if you can look at this equation, you are stuck now. There really isn't anything or something that we can do. But however, I'm going to write something here, guys. Let me use a different color for this one so that we are all on the same page. So if I were to change, if I were to say to you, let this cos x, because now I'm a little bit confused, let this cos x be equal to x alone, or let's say x, guess we're using, we'll use to x anyway, so let's say it's equal to x. So this whole thing, this cos x is equal to x, so wherever there's a cos x, we're gonna put x. So it means this equation now would become 2x, but it's squared now, minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So guys, if I were to say to you, factorize this trinomial, you would know exactly what to do here. So what you would do, you would do a double bracket, and then you're gonna put a 2x here and the x there, and then you know that any number when you are solving, you must get a 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. All right, so now the other one needs to be negative, the other one needs to be positive. The bigger number will be negative because there's a negative, therefore here is a positive. So you would know that x, it will be equal to 3 over 2, or x is equal to negative 1. Can you see, guys? So now take the same thing. Now if you were to do this now on this one, okay, I'm gonna write it this side, guys, with a blue this time around, because now we already know how to solve it. We already know the factors. Here we go. Do the same thing as if you are doing this one. If you can do this one, there is no reason why you can't do this one here, because you already know the numbers. Okay, thank you so much for liking this video, guys. I really appreciate. So this one, you're going to have cos x is equals to 3 over 2, or cos x is equals to -1. All right, and that's how you deal with a question like this one, guys. But they are looking for x, so therefore if you look at this one, it's not applicable. It won't give you an answer here. There's no solution. But if you were to go to your calculator and then second function -1 is going to give you that x is equals to 180 degrees, and this would be your answer. So thank you guys for liking this video, for viewing this video until the end. I am Gaston Mapala. Let me see you on the next upload, where we'll be doing something else or any other chapter from any deep paper. Let me know what you think, guys. We haven't done functions. Guys, should we really do functions? Please let me know what you think on the comment section below, or what is it that you are struggling with. Then we will definitely do those questions from different papers, from different provinces before your prelim exams.